Hey everyone, this is my project page. I'll start off with my home page here. I just wanted 3 images across, just showcasing my abilities and what I can. I take pretty much pictures pretty much of everything, and so just wanted for people to be able to see that, so they know I'm not just um a one trick pony. I can do kid pictures and seniors and engagements and weddings and all that good stuff. So just wanted to make sure I showcased that properly. I liked having the 3 pictures across, just to really let people get a good look at what I can do. And so that was why I designed it that way. My about page, I just wanted very simple. I just wanted people to be able to see um, a little bit about me, just so they'd feel more comfortable hiring me for their special event. And so I just told a little bit about like how long I've been a photographer, letting them know what kind of stuff they need to bring for the shoot if they want to. People always feel a bit more connected to their own session if they bring their own props versus me bringing my props, which my props are pretty cool, but their own stuff is usually more fun. And obviously, for like a maternity shoot, they need to bring their own ultrasound pictures. And like little baby shoes are fun. And so I just wanted to give people an idea of what to expect if they hire me for their special event. The contact page, I actually liked having the submissions off to the side, and because I like seeing the green lines across, I just thought the contrast was cool. But probably aesthetically, it probably would look a little bit better if it was in the middle. But I prefer it how I have it, so I did it that way. Um, my portfolio page, I just wanted just some images so people could just see a little bit more of what I do in hopes to convince them that they want to hire me. And I just wanted a little bit of a, a little bit of something, so when they click on it, I just thought the effect looked cool. Just a little bit of hover effect. Um, for my last page, I did a projects page, and basically it's a direct link to my GitHub. So then it just shows people just what I can do if they're interested in my web design capabilities. My goal, of course, is to eventually have my own project page, but for now, I'm just going to store it here. And my style guide and practice at the bottom, like the requirement says. And of course, obviously, I know I have a lot to learn about placement and just web stuff in general, but that's part of the learning process, and that's why I'm in school. And I'm having so much fun in the process of learning as well. It was been a good semester, and I've enjoyed getting to know everybody. And y'all, good luck in the future.